There is an echo because this room is empty.
Roxy, 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 Roxy.
Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and today I'm here with Foggy! Mwah. You guys requested a video with fogs and today it's the perfect day because I received this box, the Kitnipbox. Kitnipbox. This is a box full of cat goodies. It's a monthly subscription box. I'm gonna leave you all the info in the description box. And each month has also a theme. I'm so excited to open it with Foggy and see what she likes. And let's start. Like this relaxed and cute video. I'm finishing up this room. It's gonna be my filming room and I cannot wait to film new stuff and post it on this channel. And thank you so much Kitnipbox for giving me and Fog this box. As always, I say hi to all the people who tweeted me and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.